To install Blender, which is free and open source software, visit its official website at blender.org. You can open Google and search for blender.org to find the site. The latest version of Blender is always displayed on the home page. Before downloading, it's important to check the system requirements. The minimum requirements are listed on the site for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Make sure to compare these with your computer specifications. If your system meets the requirements, you'll be able to install and run both the latest and previous versions of Blender. To begin, click on the Download button, and the download process will start. It may take some time. I'll stop my video recording here once the download is complete, and we'll resume the guide from that point. Okay guys, once the download is complete, locate and open the folder where the file is saved. Double-click the installer to start the setup. Click Next to continue. You'll see the license agreement and payment details if applicable. Accept the terms and click Next again. By default, Blender will install in the recommended folder. If you want to install it in a different location, click Browse to select a new one. Otherwise, leave it as is and proceed. Click the Install button and the installation process will begin. Once it's done, click Finish. The Blender is now installed on your system. You can open it and start using it. You will see a window appear on your screen. You can change the language if needed. It's set to English by default. You can also customize other settings, such as mouse selection, left or right click, according to your preference. In the Splash menu, you can choose from various options, but usually you'll select General. After that, the main Blender window will open and it's ready for you to start working. We've successfully installed Blender. In future videos, we'll cover how to use Blender, including modeling techniques and other features. Please subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Thank you.